Okay, hi guys. So we're gonna move on to the trucks now, and let's begin. So the truck rule is like this, because the trucks, they're really good. They're gonna do like a crazy stuff. So we got a rule, you know. Okay, so we have to get down here. Okay, wait, give me a second. I have to grab some cars. Okay, we have we have 5 point curves. So this is worth for 1 point. 2 points is here, 3 points is here, and then 4 points is right here. And then if you make it in here, you have 5 points. And then it's like this: 1 point goes right here on the leaderboard, 2 goes here, 3 goes here, 4, 5 goes right there. So let's begin.
Watch out for the giant boxing gloves.
Yeah.
Which is between points 2 and 3. If
Yeah.
they get hit, they are out and they will be crushed to death.
And then they're gonna be out into a different place. So we're gonna begin. You guys better watch out. There's some points right. So if they go between one, that means it's like the closer one, pretty much, like the low point. Oh, wait, but they can pass it from here. So if they hit right there, so.
Well,
Okay.
this time it's going to be different. So how about we...
Oh boy. Okay, he has 2 points, so he's going right here on the board. Okay, next we have Crash. Psych. Oh, he made it right on 2 points, bro.
Well, he was almost...
2 points. He almost just lost the game, but he was so close. We have Skeleton. He's pretty good, I would say. Oh, he made it to 4 points. He made it to 4.
He made it through the jump.
4. Here is 5, so he made it to 4, bro. That's far. After you pass the boxing glove, you go just like directly to 4.
The boxing gloves are now made up.
Oh boy, that's harder. I think they're up for the challenge. They've got Piranha cars in here. Oh, Piranha almost made it in the 5-pointer. She was focused, bro. Okay, wait. Stop vacuum. Okay, thank you. 4 points.
Well, they almost... almost not good.
Yeah, almost, but good. We also have two school bus. Oh, he got hurt, boy. School bus got vacuum up. Okay, now we have 30 truck. Oh, he made it to 4. He made it to 4, bro.
Now, here's the next challenge.
Oh, it's crazy.
This time, the boxing glove will now be guarding the box.
Oh boy, now he's really focused. Lose. But that's like a 1% chance to just get in the bucket. Then we have Sharkery color, like pretty much rainbow. Oh! Okay, I have a new rule. But you do it like this, so it's kind of easy. Kind of hard. Because that was guarding too hard. Yeah. Okay, that's actually better. That's the best way. Oh! Bro, just almost made it. You stolen, bro? Okay, you got 4 points. Give up the 4. If you make it in the bucket, you make 5. No one has making it in the 5 yet. Oh.
You almost about to get first by a 1%.
I know, bro. Okay, next we got Scorpio. Scorpio! Oh, you made it to 3 points. Right? 3-pointer. First person to make the 3. No one has scored to 1 yet. I told you these were good. Oh,
Now the next level.
you made it to 4.
Now the next level of it is that this boxing glove is still going to work, but this time it's going to go fast.
Oh boy. Bro, he is going fast to vacuum, so you better watch out. Oh. Boom, 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 boom.
And now this time, this is going to be very close to the goal. This time, the boxing glove will now shoot anything that is near it.
Oh, dun, dun, dun.
So there's
Okay.
no way of escaping it by being close to it.
Okay, so he cannot go up, just the rule, right?
Yes, you cannot do it.
Okay, we got Thanos because he's really good. Oh, see, I told you.
Oh no, he detected it.
No, but he's in 4th place because he made it to 4. But if you hit him before, like, he lands in.
And and it'll
Why are-
extremely fast.
Oh gosh.
Extremely hard walking.
Oh! He made it to 5! Ow.
No.
He got to 5 points, bro. He's the winner so far. And there's only a little amount of left. Oh, he made it big, bro. Don't
It
get
can
tipped.
detect anything from this far.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay. He made it to 4. It was actually pretty good. He bounced really high. Oh! He made it in! I can't believe it, bro. Yeah, these guys are good, bro. I have to skip a step now because the floors, there's so many. Whee! Bro! They're amazing! No, they're getting crazy, boy.
Okay, now let's see. Now this time, since 3 people have won 5 points, this time now, the bucket, now this time, the fish will now be going like this.
Oh! Boom! Out!
And here's the next one. Now this is at maximum level. The boxing glove will now detect the sound of the monstertruck's collection.
Oh gosh, boy.
So it'll follow the sound and smash it before it lands.
Oh! No, wait. Did it do a wheel? It did a wheelie in it.
So that means that the only place safe, the glove will now be going everywhere. So that means that it will punch anything.
He's the new winner.
So that means
So if someone does a wheelie in that too, that means they're winning again because he's going everywhere. Yeah.
It can detect anything.
Yon dun dun dun. Okay, it was closer to 3. So you got 3. The new winner.
This time the next one. The extremely hard.
For the winner of the whole game.
This will be going everywhere.
And it can protect the bucket.
And this time the thing will have eyes.
Dun dun dun.
It will see the eyes.
Oh! Yo, it flies. Okay, last one. Let's see if it can beat it. Oh, okay, we're gonna retry. Let's count it down. Count it down, okay? Let's try. 3 times the charm.
The extra impossible. This time, the trucks cannot get points unless they go inside the block.
Dun dun. But he's already winning though. Oh.
The block is the enemy. This is the way it is.
Nope, psych.
Well, I hope you guys liked this video. I bet your guys' favorite part was the interesting part where the monster trucks and beating them up with a boxing glove, and I made the levels harder every second. And now we would like to take this video to an end. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and link in the comments below.
So, this was the winner of the whole challenge of the game. I hope you guys like it. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Peace out.